Hey guys, my name is Aubrie and today I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite QVC products. These 3 just hold a place in my heart. So the first product I'm going to talk about today is the Snow Joe Snow Broom for your car. You can just push and pull the snow off your car. Game changer. I'm 5'2". I don't think I've ever seen the roof of somebody's car, including my own. With the Snow Joe, I can ensure that I can get every ounce of snow off of my car. I'm a little reckless and I'm a little preoccupied most of the time. And that's not good in the kitchen. You don't want to forget things on the stove. You don't want to forget things in the oven. But you know what you can forget things in? The Instant Pot. It has a timer for you. It actually makes me want to cook. I want to make a huge batch of quinoa and just eat it throughout the week. It makes meal prep so good. It makes cooking for yourself or your family so much quicker, so much easier. Last but not least, this is not a home appliance, but it does make me feel great, and it is the Spanx faux leather leggings, baby. These bad boys are the comfiest leggings I've ever worn. And I pretty much live in leggings. If I'm not at the gym, I'm at work. If I'm not at work or at the gym, I'm on the couch. So I could wear leggings to all those things, and I do. The versatility of these leggings, just amazing. You can dress them up. You can dress them down. You can go to like your favorite hip hop dance class or your favorite Zumba dance class in these and look fire. They are so comfortable. The waistband doesn't roll down, it doesn't ride up, it doesn't sag, it doesn't get stretched out. It fits so nicely. And it has this beautiful faux leather finish, and I've had these for years, and it has not come off in the wash at all.
And there you have it. Those are 3 of my favorite QVC products that have just enriched my life.